Another sunny day here and fairly hot again. Temperatures in the upper 90s and some places over 100 with very few clouds around, just little puffy clouds out there. Harvey, finally, the center of it is out of Texas. So celebrate there, but there's still some rain in far eastern Texas that is very heavy right along the Louisiana border and into Louisiana. That may continue throughout the rest of today and tonight. Rain chances in the valley may start to go up a little bit this weekend. I think some of our better rain chances may actually arrive by about Monday and Tuesday of next week. So that's something we'll check out for you in more detail as the evening goes on. But Labor Day right now might be a little wet. Let's show you temperatures though. We're at 100 in McAllen, 93 in Port Isabel, and 103 in Rio Grande City, and 93 also in Brownsville. And temperatures likely back up in about this range again tomorrow. The winds have been very light today. The humidity is still pretty low in most areas, but it's starting to come back up near the coast because if you look at the winds, see the little arrows? They're kind of pointed from the west and north, but you get toward the coast and all of a sudden now they're coming back from the east and southeast. And I think the southeasterly flow will take over as the evening goes on. So the humidity, which has been kept down the last few days, will start to rise, and probably if you're out late tonight or tomorrow morning for a walk or run, it will start to get much more humid again. Across Texas, here's Harvey's rain. This is just the last 24 hours to show you there still is some big rain. Houston, though, barely any rain. The estimated rainfall total shows about 1/4 inch there over the last 24 hours, and most of that was yesterday early evening. But look at the heavy rain still being produced. Again, the last 24 hours still within that 24-hour period, anywhere from about 10 to about 17 inches of rain, just again within 24 hours right along the Texas-Louisiana border, which is right here. So still some flooding concerns with the heavy rain coming down in the western Louisiana and far eastern Texas, and this heavy area of rain is kind of lifting north as the evening goes on. Now, most of Texas is dry. Harvey is still bringing some rain like you saw to far eastern Texas, but most of the state is clear, and Harvey will continue to move kind of that way to the northeast. It's still a tropical storm, but will gradually weaken into a tropical depression. There you can see a close-up of some of the clouds swirling around. Still a very swirly storm there with the center of it crossing into Louisiana this afternoon and moving away from Texas. Now, Future Track does show dry weather for us the rest of tonight and clear skies. I think we'll see low temperatures a little warmer than this morning. We should be mainly in the upper 70s tomorrow morning. Thursday, I think, should be a dry day with maybe a few more puffy clouds. Future Track tries to show a couple of small little sprinkles or showers. I think that's overdone for tomorrow, but I think maybe a few more puffy clouds in the skies tomorrow, but still a day almost as hot as today, up close to 100 degrees in many areas. Friday, the moisture kind of increases late in the afternoon. It might increase just in time to maybe get one or two small little showers going late in the day, but I think nearly every place is dry on Friday, so rain chances are less than 10%. By Saturday, still a slow increase in moisture, so you might have a few more clouds and a couple of small showers again at times, but I think nearly every place is again dry on Saturday. So rain chances dry tomorrow, mainly dry, meaning probably less than 10% on Friday and about 10% on Saturday. This could go up a little higher maybe by Sunday and maybe start to really climb by Monday or Tuesday. It kind of depends on what happens in the tropics. Some of the models next week do blow up some tropical moisture in the western Gulf, and if it stays loosely organized, we could have some pretty good rain chances here maybe Monday or Tuesday, but if it stays kind of around a central point and maybe forms a little storm system, it could take most of the rain with it away from us. But that's something to watch for next week. The models are all over the place, but you want to watch the tropics again by about Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday of next week. Tonight, mostly clear, humidity on the rise late tonight and lows near 76 degrees, and tomorrow back up to 100. Still in the 90s over most of Cameron and Wilson counties, but a hot day again like today all around. First 1570 forecast. If we do get a few more clouds, it could cut a couple degrees off the temperatures Friday and Saturday, but not much. Highs still mainly in the mid to upper 90s. Sunday, late Saturday and Sunday, some of the models do hint at more clouds, so they may even lower temperatures more. And then maybe next week, don't get too excited. Some of the models do have an actual cold front, not a strong one, but one that don't curse it, Gary. No, maybe it will start to cool off by about next Wednesday and Thursday, but also clouds and rain could help cool us too. So Tuesday, Wednesday, or Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday could be some bigger rain chances. We'll track those rain chances throughout the evening in your first 1-5 forecast coming up.